Recently, Encrochat users across the world have received notifications by their service providers that their domains have been hacked illegally and that data has reached the hands of third parties, including the police. If you are in a situation where your data has been illegally seized, and if the authorities try to use that data against you in criminal proceedings or for the recovery of the proceeds of crime, what should you do to resist the police in their attempts to use that data against you? The situation is complex. It requires detailed legal advice. The courts have a power to stay proceedings as an abuse of the process of the court if evidence that has been illegally obtained and is sought to be relied upon by the agency that obtained it illegally. The starting point could well be an application to the court to stay the proceedings as an abuse of process if you cannot receive a fair trial or if it offends the court's sense of justice to try you in those circumstances. If the court accepted that application, the prosecution would end against you. That is a complex legal argument which would have to be tailored to the facts of your case. It may be unsuccessful in some cases, but not in others. If such an application is unsuccessful, all is not lost. You may have a good argument to rule the evidence as inadmissible. In other words, that the jury will not hear that evidence because it has such an adverse effect on the fairness of the proceedings that the court should not admit it. These are but two options where, based upon complex legal arguments, you may receive the result you are looking for. You will need urgent, detailed legal advice about the circumstances of your case, the data that has been taken, and what use might be made of it. You may still have your data device. You may have tried to delete data on that device, but that isn't good enough because that data has been stored on compromised servers which the police may well have accessed. There are many factors that are relevant, many things that can be argued. The law is complex. What you should do is obtain the best legal advice that you can on this subject as soon as you can.